Many visitors will view this page on their mobile devices. So let's see how to make responsive adjustments to make sure our design looks great on mobile as well. I'll go ahead and enter the responsive mobile mode via the bottom panel, like so. Let's first take care of our headings and buttons. We will do that in theme style, so they will be responsive across the site. In typography, set H1 size to 50, H2 to 25, H3 to 40, H4 to 35, and H5 to 20. In the buttons drop-down, set the size to 15 and add 15 pixel padding to the top and bottom and 20 to the sides. Okay, great! Now all our headings and buttons on the site are mobile responsive, so no need to adjust them anymore. Let's save these settings and exit the theme style. Time to make some mobile edits. Select the first section and set the min height to 90 VH. As you can see, this setting has responsive handles for desktop, tablet and mobile, meaning the 90 VH is only applied for mobile devices. Next, let's adjust the image a bit. Select it and in Style, change the image width. Let's adjust the white frame around the page for mobile as well. Go to Page Settings and in Style, unlink the padding values. Then change the unit to percentage and set them individually. Cool. In the second section, I'll select the spacer widget in the column over here, and in Content, change it to 50 VH. In the third section, I'll go to Advanced, and as you can see, there's a responsive drop-down with some cool settings we can play with, such as Reverse Column. As you can see, it automatically flips the columns for mobile. Cool. Next, select the purple column, and in Advanced, add some padding. Then, click on the spacer widget in the next column, and in Content, change the space to 50 VH. Lastly, for this section, select this column, and in Style, change the background image position, like so. Now, let's apply the same edits to the other columns. Click on the Fresh Daily column, and in Advanced, add the padding. Then, set the spacer. Next, in section 5, click on the Get in Touch column, and in Advanced, add the padding. And lastly, adjust the spacer. And in Style, change the background image position as well. Let's check it out. Looking real good, if I can say so myself. Okay, great! Our homepage is done. We successfully used Elementor's responsive mode to make sure this page looks great on mobile as well. And with theme style, we made sure that responsive edits for headings and buttons are applied globally, which will save us a lot of time in the long run. In the next lesson, we'll create the menu page, and you'll see that making mobile adjustments is a lot easier now.